Hi, my name is Adam A., and I'm a Director of Product Management for Oracle Corporation. Today, we're going to be talking about all things on demand. More and more people expect instant gratification in everything they do. For example, if someone wants information, they used to go to the library and spend 1 or 2 weeks doing the research to get their information. Now, you go to Google, type in their magic box, and you get an instant answer for anything you need. Similarly, if people order a product, they patiently wait 1 or 2 weeks for it to arrive at their house. Now, people want to know when it leaves the warehouse in Atlanta, watch it go to Chicago, to Denver, before it arrives in San Francisco. Not only that, but people are now blending their personal lives with their public lives, and they expect instant gratification in everything they do, at work as well, including CRM systems. When we take a look at some of the traditional CRM systems, they did a very good job of business process re-engineering. They recognized that CRM systems could not live alone on an island and needed to be integrated with the rest of the systems at the company. They knew about enterprise-class security, performance, reliability, and delivered on it. And very importantly, it wasn't enough to get data into the system. They had to have a rich analytics engine on top of a data warehouse to get robust information out of the system. However, in today's world of instant gratification, people want things faster and faster. They want faster deployments, and they want instant changes and upgrades to happen. And traditional solutions didn't always meet those needs. In addition, people are used to the rich interactive UIs of Google and eBay and Amazon, and they didn't always deliver on those. And then finally, people wanted to pay as they go, rather than having a large upfront payment and a long selection process as part of that. And that's really the genesis of SaaS 1.0. They really had a good answer for speed of deployment and for having rich usability and allowed people to pay as they go, particularly for small companies as well as departments of larger enterprises. However, when you look at SaaS 1.0, they were not able to deliver on the business processes that companies really needed. They weren't able to be easily integrated with their existing infrastructure. They didn't have the security, performance, and reliability that enterprise customers demanded. And finally, they only had reporting and not robust analytics to drive their systems. But what if you could have a new generation of software as a service, 2.0, and it gave you all the rich functionality you need to support your business processes? It allowed you to get information from all of your systems together in one place. It gave you enterprise-class security, performance, reliability, and gave you these rich analytics. Not only that, but it was built on an enterprise-grade SaaS 2.0 platform that gave you the deployment, the usability, and the payment terms that customers now expect. And not only that, what if the solution was delivered on a multi-tenant architecture, where you had one physical environment the customer shared, but you could virtually partition this so that each customer had their own area to work in? Or you could deliver this as a single-tenant architecture. In this particular case, each customer has more control and flexibility over their environment. You can see here they build it as a castle instead of as a condo. Or we don't need to be in the land business and own the land underneath the condo or the castle. We can take the same exact solution and fly it to your customer site and have it exist there with our @customer solution. Very importantly, we deliver this as a hybrid solution. So it's one integrated solution spanning multiple deployment models. This is now all possible with CRM On Demand from Oracle Corporation. It satisfies all of your enterprise needs and satisfies the instant gratification your users desire. For more information, go to oracle.com/CRM.